The Godzilla galaxy UGC 2885 is 2.5 times wider than our Milky Way and contains 10 times as many stars. How did the Godzilla galaxy come into existence? Welcome back, fellow monster enthusiasts. Today, we delve into the awe-inspiring concept of the Godzilla galaxy. Before this journey, you should subscribe to your channel. Your support means the world to our team. Let's come to the video, and suppose who discovered this giant? The one who is the biggest, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. This amazing telescope discovered a galaxy called the Godzilla galaxy because of its size. Godzilla galaxy has a size 2.5 times larger than the galaxy we inhabit, the Milky Way. Godzilla hosts 1 trillion stars, 10 times more than Earth's galactic home. It is located 232 million light-years away in the northern constellation Perseus. One thing that many says, it is a gentle giant, say researchers, because it looks like it has been sitting quietly over billions of years, possibly sipping hydrogen from the filamentary structure of intergalactic space. This fuels modest ongoing star birth at half the rate of our Milky Way. In fact, its supermassive central black hole is a sleeping giant too, because the galaxy does not appear to be feeding on much smaller satellite galaxies. It is starved of infalling gas. One clue is that the galaxy is fairly isolated in space and doesn't have any nearby galaxies to crash into and disrupt the shape of its disk. One more strong question comes here: how did the Godzilla galaxy come into existence? UGC 2885 is classified as a field galaxy, a class of galaxies found in remote, underdense and vacant sections of space, far from other major galaxies. NASA has reported that the theorized main source for disk growth for UGC 2885 came from the accretion of intergalactic hydrogen gas, rather than through the repeated process of galactic collision, as most galaxies are thought to grow. Interesting fact you should know, quoted from CNN Friday, January 10, 2020, the Godzilla galaxy is also referred to as the Rubin galaxy, taken from the last name of an astronomer named Vera Rubin, who also studied the galaxy. This was conveyed by University of Louisville astronomer Ben Holwerda, who observed Godzilla galaxy using Hubble. UGC 2885 is classified as a field galaxy, a class of galaxies found in remote, underdense and vacant sections of space, far from other major galaxies. NASA has reported that the theorized main source for disk growth for UGC 2885 came from the accretion of intergalactic hydrogen gas, rather than through the repeated process of galactic collision, as most galaxies are thought to grow. And there you have it, folks. UGC 2885, the awe-inspiring giant that reminds us of the vastness and beauty of our universe. Remember to keep looking up, as the cosmos never ceases to amaze us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for being here.